Hey guys, so in the last video, I showed you how to use the array to do 23 times 47. Now I'm going to show you how to do the standard algorithm of multiplication to do 23 times 47. So the way we start off, we're going to take the 7, which is in the ones place of our bottom number, which is 47, and multiply it by 23 by first starting from the ones place and working our way to the tens place. So that means first we're going to do 7 times 3, which equals 21. So you're going to take the 1 in the ones place and write it underneath our standard algorithm, and then you're going to carry the 2. So as you notice, I wrote things in different colors so you can see where I'm writing these numbers. So the 1 from 21 got written underneath our standard algorithm, and then we carried the 2 in 21 above, and we're about to use that in our next step now. So now we not must do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 equals 14. Remember, we carried that 2. Now we must add that 2 we just carried, and you will get 16. Since there's no number in the hundreds place, so we don't need to carry the 1. We could just write 16 underneath our standard algorithm. So the first step we did was 23 times 7, which got us 161. But now we're going to get the 4 and 47 and now multiply it by the 23. But it's one thing we must remember, that 4 actually represents 40. That's in the tens place. So we're going to start writing everything in the tens place. So I like to put a magic 0 in the ones place so I don't make an error. That is very, very, very key that you do. So now we're going to do 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12. So I'm going to take the 2 in the ones place and write that in our standard algorithm. But then I'm going to carry the 1. So that 1, you notice, goes above. And we're going to use that in our next step. So now we're going to do 4 times 2, which equals 8. But then plus that 1 that we just carried, and that equals 9. And I'm going to write that 9 in our standard algorithm. Now our last step is just to add 161 plus 920, which equals 1081. So I want you guys to take a couple other multiplication numbers, do 2 by 2 digits or maybe 2 by 1, and continue practicing using the standard algorithm. And if you're still confused, just watch this video a couple times.